I've met a lot of people who live alternative lives, who live out of the system or as far as possible away from it, who do their own thing, live off-grid and grow their own food. And what these people have is most of the time maybe not so much time, because often it's a hard work, it's a hard job. But these people have peace of their mind, they have joy and they have happiness. And in the Matrix, you work, you try to possess more and get more. And what does it bring you? Most of your time you're miserable and you feel something's just not right. It's designed to be like this. You just think you want more, you need more to get somewhere, and you're never happy with where you are at. That's not freedom. It's again the Matrix. Real freedom doesn't want more. It actually wants less. Be simple. Just be. And happiness will often just follow.